everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can download and install Helldriver 2 on your PC or laptop. So in order to install and download the Helldriver 2 on your PC or laptop, you have to follow these steps. First thing, you have to go ahead and open up your web browser, and when you open up a browser, on the web address bar type in steampower.com, and it's going to take you to their official webpage. Client allow users to install PC game online directly to their cloud drivers after purchase. What you have to do is you have to go and install the Steam application on your device. So first of all, go ahead and click on install Steam, and on the other step, go ahead and press on install Steam. Now the exe file is going to be loaded, so you have to wait patiently and download and install the Steam first of all. After you're done downloading and installing the Steam application, then you have to go ahead and create an account. When you're done creating your account, then it's going to take you to this page, which is your home page. So basically, while you're on this page, go to store, and then you have to go ahead and press the search bar, and here you need to go ahead and type in Helldriver 2. And when you type in Helldriver 2, you should be able to find or locate it right on this page. Go ahead and open it up, and then you need to go ahead and press the install button. Just follow the prompt, and basically that's how you can go ahead and download and install the Helldriver 2 on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.